gonna tell you guys how this man kill him wife. You understand? And believe me, it is so crazy and despicable. But I'm gonna do a little commentary first. Let's go. Now, me go right into this. We see the politician here in Jamaica, Jolyan Silvera, and you know, we see a whole heap of vloggers and other people, news media, everybody a talk about it, and I say, we never do ever do any video on this guy because it's just so saturated all over the place. But I was speaking to Nanny just now, and she explained to me what this guy did, and believe me, this shit make the hair at the back of my neck stand up. You see, Jamaica, dog, Jamaica, the kind of crimes and killing happening in Jamaica, it rivals any big first world country like America, Canada, England. The killing and the murderous nature of the place, dog, is so disingenuous and crazy. The killings in Jamaica is more planning, more targeted, more organized. You see what I'm saying? And that's what's going on in Jamaica. Now, with that said, I am going to tell you guys how this man here killing his wife. Now, when the police first came to the house when she died, it looked like she was sleeping. Yeah? Correct. So they said it was a suicide. But for some reason the family pressed on for an autopsy. The young lady family has a lot of money. Mr. Silvera doesn't have no money. It was said that this lady wanted a divorce from him. As a matter of fact, look at him at the funeral. Dirty boy, you know. Anyways, the lady wanted to divorce him. He had a problem with that. And he wanted her to give him land and all sort of thing. The reason why she married him is because of her parents. And her parents died and left her a whole heap of money. And that's why this guy did what he did. Now, before I tell you how he killed this lady, they had a son, and they found the son dead in a pool, a quadriplegic or a disabled child. And he did that because of the insurance money. Yo, that boy I want pussy. White Jamaican boy. In white and have no money in a Jamaica, dog. Anyways, this guy is one of the most vicious, diabolic killer that Jamaica ever see. Now, like I said earlier, when the police came to the house, it looked like a suicide, like she was sleeping. The family pressed for the autopsy, and in the autopsy they found bullet fragment. Now, use your imagination. There is no opening wound on her body. So how the bullet fragment is inside her? Because he used a small gun. Listen to me now, Use a small gun and shoot this lady in her vagina. One more time. Jolyan Silvera used a small gun and shoot the lady in her vagina, killed her, then dressed her back up and put her in the bed to lay down like she was sleeping. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Yo, I hope the DDP send this motherfucker straight to prison. He is just like Beachy Stout. And do you guys see what Jamaica is like? Huh? Beachy Stout kill his wife, you know. And then this guy, while Beachy Stout is going through trial, kill his wife the same way, but in a different way. Kill his wife in a different way. He looked at Beachy Stout and decided, well, I'll use a small gun, pretend I'm having sex with her, and shoot the lady in her vagina and kill her, dress her back up like she committed suicide. Just listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I hope this pussy have a straight a prison.